rumors are true. Names that are legendary. StockLegends.com.
Hey everyone, StockLegends.com with another explosive stock analysis. We're going to take a look at ARCS. Before we do, please go to StockLegends.com, and under the ticker symbol we'll have our investment research report up very shortly. Be sure to check it out. We just came off a fantastic day off DGIX. Was up 70%, high of day, closed quite nicely as well. You can take a look at the chart here. Very huge volume, record volume came in on that day. So be sure to follow us on Twitter so you're getting all of our tweets on our website. You can sign up for us, and also please join our newsletter. Enter your name and email address and hit join, and you'll be able to get all of our investment research reports and video charts and fantastic information that we have for you. So taking a look at ARCS, this is not a lot of trading here. I'm going to show you two technical charts, and I'm going to show you a daily chart and a 10-minute chart to give you the short-term and long-term sort of perspectives on what's been happening on the stock. You can see basically virtually no trading here in the months of November, and we had some trading start to come in here around the 30th of December, or the 30th of January here in 2012. See, volume starts to come in, so now we've got some trading activity. You see the volume is just taking the price up high. We went from a low of 20 cents all the way up to $1. So this is our target right here. $1 is the resistance area to break, which was our high. And you can see that the momentum started to come up. You can see the price starts to move up, and then what happens is we have a big gap occur here on the stock here. We gapped from about 44 cents all the way up into the 60-cent range, ran to $1. What happens when the stock gaps is generally we need to come and fill that gap before the stock can continue up higher, and that looks like what has happened today. You can see that the stock had a pullback today. We came right down to a low of 46 cents. It was just above where we had closed 2 days ago, and generally once a gap's filled, it means the stock can go back up again and continue on the upward trend. So now that that gap's been filled, looking at our momentum indicators, we've got the MACD, it's crossed upwards, trending up, looks great. The STO has also been moving up throughout the entire trend, also positive money flow. Everything's looking really great here in terms of the technical indicators on the stock, and we've got a very solid upward trend. So I want to show you a 10-minute chart so you can sort of see what I'm coming from here in terms of whether you think this pullback is completed or not. So if we look at a 10-minute chart, this is just over the last 5 days. You can see that the stock price here starts around 30 cents, although we had a low of 20. I just didn't go back far enough. And you can see some intermediary trading volume here, and then all of a sudden we had a big boost in volume. The stock ran up to 10 cents, and now we're seeing this sort of correction phase. And we can also use the MACD lines here as well to give us those buy and sell signals. You can see that throughout the upward trend that we saw over the first few days of trading, that the MACD lines were pointing up, and then we had a crossover here after we hit $1, and we're trading around 60-70 cents, and the MACD lines crossed over. That gave us a short-term sell indicator, and now we've got this nice consolidation happening, and we've hit a bottom here of 46 cents, starting to move up here right at 50, and you can see the 10-minute MACD lines are still moving down, but we could very likely cross over. You can see money flow is positive, coming back in, which is a very positive sign. So very easily, now we've had this nice consolidation period, it could be perfect for the stock to run back up again. Some resistance areas could be the 63.5 cent area, also some resistance possibly at 75, and of course our high of yesterday was $1 all-time high, so very likely we can come back and test that. All we have to do is probably break above the 63-cent level, and we should get a nice confirmation that we can go back up to $1, even possibly beyond that. It's too early to tell at this particular point in time, but after this nice consolidation we've had, very likely we can see another run. Let's take one more look at the daily chart. Again, things are looking positive. Here we had that pullback to 46, closed at 50, and a possible move back up to $1. Thanks very much for watching, and happy trading.